Navigating the crypto market can be a daunting task for even OGs in the cryptocurrency space. In this video, we are going to talk about everything you need to succeed in this complex web of rapid evolving market for all types of investors. From the newbie to the OGs who have lost touch with the fast-paced market. This is for all who need to play catch-up with the latest developments and tools in the wild west of the blockchain industry. It's important to choose a reliable platform that suits your needs and provides a seamless user experience. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, there's a platform out there that can cater to your needs. We hope this video provides you with valuable insights on the best options available in the market. Remember to conduct thorough research before making any decision related to your digital assets investments. Nothing in this video should be considered as investment advice. Therefore, it is purely educational and for entertainment purposes only. This video gives an overview of the features, benefits, and drawbacks of some of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets, platforms, exchanges, and apps for crypto investors. Cryptocurrency wallets. A cryptocurrency wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store, manage, and transfer their digital assets. There are several types of cryptocurrency wallets available, including desktop, mobile, hardware, and web-based wallets. Each type has its own set of features and benefits, as well as stumbling blocks for their uses. Desktop wallets. Desktop wallets are software programs that users can download and install on their computers. These wallets offer a high level of security as they are not connected to the internet. Nevertheless, they are only accessible from the device on which they are installed, which can be limiting. Since desktop wallets are installed on a single device, they can be vulnerable to physical theft or damage. Examples of available desktop wallets include Electrum, Exodus, and Atomic Wallet. Mobile wallets. Mobile wallets are apps that users can download on their mobile devices. They offer convenience and accessibility, as users can access their digital assets on the go. They are more susceptible to security risks as they are connected to the internet. It is crucial to download mobile wallets only from trusted sources and to ensure that your device is protected with a strong password or PIN code. Examples of suitable mobile wallets include Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, C98 Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. All these wallets are available for both Android Play Store and iOS or App Store and can be downloaded for free. They are non-custodial wallets, meaning users get to keep their private keys and have access to their funds with a simple tab on their phones. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that users can plug into their computers or mobile devices. They offer the highest level of security as they are offline and cannot be hacked remotely. They store your private keys in a secure chip, which makes it almost impossible for hackers to steal your digital assets. Hence, hardware wallets can be expensive and may require some technical knowledge to set up correctly. Sample hardware wallets we use include Ledger, Trezor, SafePal, and KeepKey. Web-based wallets. Web-based wallets are online platforms that users can access through their web browsers. They offer convenience and accessibility, as users can use their digital assets from anywhere with an internet connection. Anyway, they are more susceptible to security risks as they are connected to the internet. Examples of our recommended web-based wallets include MyEtherWallet, MetaMask, Brave Browser Wallet Extension, Opera Crypto Wallet, etc. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Cryptocurrency exchanges are platforms that allow users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. There are several types of cryptocurrency exchanges available, including centralized, decentralized, and peer-to-peer exchanges. Each type has its own set of features and benefits together with some setbacks. Centralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges are platforms that are owned and operated by a custodial authority. They offer high liquidity and support a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Nonetheless, they are more susceptible to security risks as they are a central point of attack. Suitable centralized exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Binance. Binance is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies. The edge Binance offers over others is its low trading fees, making it ideal for users who conduct frequent transactions. Another benefit is its user-friendly interface. Yet, keep in mind that at the time of making this video, Binance and its CEO are facing a lawsuit from the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, in the United States. We hope the issue is resolved amicably, as Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Its downfall could have a devastating impact on the broader digital assets market. Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro is an advanced version of Coinbase that offers more features for professional traders. The superiority of Coinbase Pro is its intuitive trading tools that allow users to analyze market trends and make informed decisions. Another advantage is its high level of security. But a flaw for Coinbase Pro is its limited number of supported cryptocurrencies, since it is a regulated entity under the laws of the United States of America. Coinbase was issued a Wells notice last month from the Securities Exchange Commission, SEC, and is still under investigation. Kraken. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including lesser-known ones. What distinguishes Kraken from its peers is its high level of security, which includes two-factor authentication and encryption. Also, Kraken has low trading fees for large-volume traders. Still, the downside of Kraken is its complicated user interface, which might not be suitable for beginners. Leave a comment if you have any questions and we will gladly respond in kind. Decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. Decentralized exchanges are platforms that are powered by blockchain technology and do not have a centralized authority. It operates on-chain with Oracle price feeds that is transferred from real-world data to the blockchain. They offer a high level of security and privacy, as they do not store user data or assets. However, they have lower liquidity and can be less user-friendly. DEXs are the closest markets that seems to obey the ethos of crypto in its current form. With the collapse of FTX and other centralized entities like Terra Luna, Voyager, Celsius, and 3AC, DEXs have become more than a necessity in the cryptocurrency market. But DEXs are not all decentralized as they should. Examples of popular decentralized exchanges include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap. Peer-to-peer exchanges. Peer-to-peer exchanges are platforms that allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with each other. They offer a high level of privacy and do not require users to provide personal information. Although, they have lower liquidity and can be more susceptible to fraud. Peer-to-peer exchanges operates like a centralized escrow market where users buy and sell crypto from each other. The platform link users together and offer dispute resolution system for smooth trading of crypto. Examples of our favorite peer-to-peer exchanges include Binance P2P, Bybit P2P, now defunct Paxful, and Bisq. Cryptocurrency apps. Cryptocurrency apps are mobile applications that allow users to manage their digital assets and access cryptocurrency-related services. There are several types of cryptocurrency apps available, including portfolio trackers, news or information apps, and payment apps. Each type has its own set of features and advantages, along with some pitfalls. Portfolio trackers. Portfolio trackers are apps that allow users to track the value and performance of their digital assets. They offer a high level of convenience and can provide users with valuable insights into their investments. Even so, they may require users to provide personal information and can be susceptible to security risks. Examples of popular portfolio trackers include CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and CoinStats. Crypto communities apps. These apps serve as community platforms for crypto projects and offer a wealth of information, discussions, and resources to crypto enthusiasts. They offer forums for discussions, Q&A, Ask Me Anything, or AMA, and project updates for crypto investors and project founders. Examples: Telegram, Crypto Twitter, or CT, Reddit, crypto subreddits, and Discord groups. All these tools are essential for crypto investors to keep the pulse of the crypto market at hand. News or information apps. News and information apps are apps that provide users with up-to-date news and information about the cryptocurrency market in real time. They offer a high level of convenience and can provide users with valuable insights into market trends. Examples of the best news and information apps include CryptoPanics, Cointelegraph, Twitter, Crypto Twitter or CT, Reddit, and CoinDesk. CryptoPanics is a news aggregator that sources news related to crypto from various platforms to users, including Twitter influencers who provide content about crypto. These apps are available for web and mobile applications, i.e., both Android and iOS. Payment apps. Payment apps are apps that allow users to make purchases using cryptocurrencies. They offer a high level of convenience and can provide users with privacy and security. Payment apps offer on and off ramps to invest to and from the crypto market into the fiat system. Examples of available payment apps include BitPay, Flexa, MoonPay, Simplex, Binance Connect and Transact. In conclusion, there are several types of cryptocurrency wallets, exchanges, and apps available in the market today. Each type has its own set of features, strengths, and weaknesses. Users should carefully consider their needs and preferences when choosing a platform to use. It is also important to take security measures seriously and to keep digital assets safe from potential threats. Overall, the cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, and users should stay informed and up to date on the latest developments and trends. Subscribe and follow us for more insightful discussions about investing in cryptocurrencies and blockchains in general. Thank you for watching.